What if I tell you your Mac might be exposing your sensitive files and data without you even realizing it? Spotlight on Mac is a powerful built-in search tool that makes it easy to find apps, files, emails and more. But sometimes it can also show sensitive information you never want other people to see. It can pull up everything from personal documents to private messages. It might show your bank account balance by pulling from messages, a note where you saved your passwords, or even your private documents like personal ID or tax ID. That is not just awkward, it is a privacy risk. If someone gets hold of your Mac, they can easily search for sensitive data just by typing a few simple keywords, and they don't need to open different folders or different apps for this. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you exactly how to take back control and stop Spotlight from indexing files and folders you want to keep private. First of all, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen, then open System Settings. From the sidebar, scroll down and click Siri and Spotlight. Now you can deselect what kind of data you do not want the Spotlight to show in search. Like uncheck the mails and messages to hide sensitive data from emails and messages to show in Spotlight search. For hiding a specific folder from Spotlight search, click Spotlight Privacy. Here click plus and select the folder or file you want to keep private. Once added, Spotlight will stop indexing that file or folder. Now you have the power to keep your private files hidden and maintain control over what Spotlight can find on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more practical Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.